Grumman 28310, holding short, runway 26.
Grumman 28310, Danbury Tower, runway 26, clear for takeoff with a right turn out to the north, upwind traffic. Cessna is in left close, correction, upwind traffic is an arrow in left close.
Runway 26, clear for takeoff. Okay, runway 26, we're lined up. Full power. Everything's in the green. Airspeed is coming alive. Everything's good. Rotating. Positive rate of climb, everything's in the green.
That was fast.
Autopilot? Nope. I am the autopilot. So far.
Nice, the terrain here is different.
Yeah.
A lot of different bodies of water.
Yeah. It's interesting. We never came up this way before.
You know that your book bag is also called Tiger?
Yeah, I noticed that.
This doesn't go past.
It does on the other side.
What are the yellow things on the map? Like a mountain?
Cities, populated areas. I think that's it right there. There it is. Okay.
Oh, you're up high.
Yeah.
This is untowered?
Untowered. Well, runway looks clear. Columbia traffic, Grumman 310, going to be overflying midfield, then entering a left downwind runway 3, Columbia traffic. You see the windsock? Because I don't.
Well, now you're over the airport, so I can't see.
Okay. Columbia traffic, Grumman 310, entering left downwind runway 03, Columbia.
Columbia County traffic, Cherokee 5584 east. We'll be overflying the field from east to west to join the downwind for runway 3, Columbia County.
Coming the opposite way. Okay, everything's set for takeoff. I mean, yes, for landing, mixture is full rich, carb heat, everything. Gonna put the landing lights on. Columbia County, Grumman 310, turning base, runway 3, Columbia County. Columbia County, Grumman 310, turning final, runway 3, Columbia County.
Columbia County traffic, Cherokee 558, now over the field 2000 east to west. We have the traffic turning final in sight, and we will be descending to join the downwind for runway 3, Columbia County.
Okay. I'm just trying to correct. Full flaps. Airspeed is 80. Airspeed alive. Pitch for speed. Power for altitude. landed in Columbia County. Columbia County, Grumman 310, clear of active runway, Columbia County.
For a second, I thought the nose was angled very...
It's just a different sight picture. I don't know where to park now. We'll just park somewhere up here. Columbia, New York. We're gonna go grab lunch if we can find a car or get an Uber or something. Can we use them? Where are we?
I don't know.
Very poppin'. Really bad teeth. Okay. We're in the basement of the house. Oh. You strapped in?
Not yet.
Columbia traffic, Grumman 310, departing runway 21, Columbia. Yep, there's another one. There's a hawk.
Wow. Thought it was a plane for a second. So what are you supposed to do if you see a bird coming right at you?
Try to go above it. They like to dive when they get scared. So you want to be above them if you can. You try to avoid them as best you can.
So how do the clouds look so far?
They look okay. We get past this patch, it's all clear further down, so it's good. These are the clouds I was worried about, but they're not so bad.
Yeah, they look dark.
Huh?
They look dark.
Yeah, that's why it's choppy.
Rain in them?
What's that?
There's rain in them.
Columbia County traffic,
Looks like it.
Charlie Alpha, it's on the left downwind, runway 21.
Danbury Tower, Grumman 28310, approximately 9 miles north, inbound, full stop, information, Quebec.
Grumman 28310, Danbury Tower, I-9.
IDEN 21310.
Grumman 28310, light and observe, report 4 mile right base, runway 26, you're following Warrior traffic currently at your 1 o'clock 4 mile.
He wanted right there.
Warrior 11441, runway 26, clear for the option on the go, make left, close traffic.
Airplane over there.
Alright, 26, clear for the option on the go, make left, close traffic. Grumman 28310, Warrior traffic, you're following is ahead of you now at your 1 o'clock in about 3 miles, 2,600.
Yeah, we got that Warrior traffic inside 28310.
Grumman 310, number 2, runway 26, clear to land.
Going in the pattern.
Any word on that drone yet?
Yep. Yeah, we are.
Cap 606 negative, we haven't heard anything for over an hour.
That's what I was looking for.
Yeah, I was surprised we ended that fast.
Yeah, I slowed down a bit here. Because he's going slow. I don't want to hit them.
Oh, that pole?
Yep. That's what I'm afraid of, clearing that. Full flaps. Alright, we're good to land.
Number 2, and we're looking for traffic. Particularly like sequence please.
We're right here, babe. We made it.